Welcome again on our Health, Safety and Environment channel. This is Safety on Construction Site Part 2. Beware on construction site, your first mistake could be your last. Extra fall protection requirements when performing dangerous construction works. According to OSHA, conventional fall protection systems consist of guardrail systems, safety net systems, and personal fall arrest systems. Guardrail systems are barriers erected to prevent workers from falling to lower levels. Safety net systems. When safety nets are used, they must be installed as close as practicable under the walking or working surface on which workers are working, and never more than 30 feet below that level. All safety nets must be installed with sufficient clearance underneath to prevent a falling body from hitting the surface or structure below the net. A personal fall arrest system is a system used to safely arrest a worker who is falling from a working level. It consists of an anchorage, body harness, and connectors. It also may include a lanyard, deceleration device, lifeline, or suitable combinations of these. Activities on leading edges. A leading edge means the unprotected side or edge during periods when it is actively or continuously under construction. Each worker constructing a leading edge 6 feet or more above a lower level must be protected by conventional fall protection systems. Ideally, in leading edge work, the anchorage point will be above the worker. Overhand bricklaying and related works. Overhand bricklaying and related work means the process of laying bricks and masonry units such that the surface of the wall to be jointed is on the opposite side of the wall from the mason, requiring the mason to lean over the wall to complete the work. When workers perform overhand bricklaying and related works 6 feet or more above a lower level, they must be protected by conventional fall protection systems or work in a controlled access zone. Roofing work on low-slope roofs. A low-slope roof has a slope less than or equal to 4 in 12, vertical to horizontal. When engaged in roofing work on a low-slope roof that has one or more unprotected side or edge 6 feet or more above lower levels, workers must be protected from falling by conventional fall protection systems and a 42-inch high barricade with warning line systems or a safety monitoring system. Working on steep roofs. A steep roof has a slope greater than 4 in 12, vertical to horizontal. When working on a steep roof that has one or more unprotected side or edge 6 feet or more above lower levels, each worker must be protected by conventional fall protection systems. Skylights must have a guardrail or other protective system. Exception: when the employer can demonstrate that it is infeasible or creates a greater hazard to use these systems, the employer must develop and implement a fall protection plan, which meets OSHA and other stringent requirements. Building owners are always responsible for the safety of all people, no matter who steps onto their roofs. In our next video, we will focus on requirement on risks related to moving objects in the construction site.